Hi everyone, welcome to NTD channel. Listen today how to draw a line with any angle quickly. Okay, now let's start with angle of 45 degree. 45 degree. Okay, you open drafting setting. Drafting setting dialog box open. You select polar tracking. Okay, you take on polar tracking on feature. Okay, and then you select 45 degree. Okay, and then you select tracking on polar angle setting. Yeah, okay, select. Okay, now you draw a line. 45 degree. Okay, yeah, 45 degree. Okay, dimension angle of 45 degree. Okay, very easy. I select delete. Continue with angle of 15 degree. Open drafting setting dialog again. Select border tracking. Okay, now increment angle. You select 15 degree. 15 degree. Okay, 15 degree. And then select OK. Now draw lines. Fifteen degrees. Dimension angle. Angle 15 degree. 15 degree. Okay, very easy. Continue with angle of 10 degree. Okay, open drafting setting dialog again. You select 10 degree. Okay, now draw lines. Very easy. Dimension angle of 10 degree. Very easy. Okay, now continue with angle of 23 degree. Okay, 23. You select news. Twenty-three degrees. Okay. Now draw a line 23 degree. Dimension angle 20 23 degree. Okay. Now, if you want to delete uh, additional angle, you select and then delete, delete, select and delete. Okay, okay, very easy. With increment angle feature, AutoCAD help user create lines with any angles quickly, very quickly. Okay, listen today to the end. If uh, this video tutorial is helpful, you you can please subscribe, like, and share this video to everyone. Thank you so much.